Hello and welcome to my video today. I'm going to be doing a follow-up video on the ORS SeaScan hardware software kit for diagnostics. In the previous video, I showed you version 1.2. Today, I have version 1.3. So I'm going to show you how it works on my laptop. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is connect the OBD2 adapter to the car, and that is right in this area here by the steering wheel. You face the small section of the connector towards the seat, insert it, and now take the other end, and I am going to attach this to the laptop. On the laptop, I have the SeaScan Pro version 1.3 on the desktop here. So let me start that. And let me make it full screen. We are going to connect, read the VIN. And as before, we have the clear DTCs if you wish, and also request software versions. There is a logging here that you can start and stop. All these are the same as before. The difference is up here. So let's go into, click on info, and I'll read that real quick. Ahoy Ocean owner, thanks for grabbing ORS SeaScan. Just to be clear, SeaScan won't fix or upgrade your Ocean, but it will give you some cool insights into its inner workings. Think of it as a friendly chat with your car using the standard UDS protocol. No poking or prodding involved. We're always on the hunt for more data to bring to the surface. For the data heads, you'll notice the HV battery current and voltage plots are super smooth. That's because the HV battery loves sharing that info over OBD2. Speed, SOC, and temps are a bit more coy. SeaScan has to ask specific modules for those, so the update rate is a tad slower. Happy exploring your ocean. All right, so that is info. Go to the next thing. We have data. So basically this is a list of all the terms that are used in the app. So all the acronyms are listed here for you to understand. Go to File again. Let's go to Modules. And this is a list of all the ECUs, their acronyms, and the meanings. Close that. There's also a boot loop recovery, and that comes with a USB flash drive so that you can fix the boot loop error with the ICC. Next, we have functions and calibrations, and we have additional items here. In the previous video with version 1.2, we had the Doggy window calibration and release emergency parking brake. But now we have some additional items here. We have the VCU reset, which is handy in case you have a problem with doing high voltage charging and you're limited to say 30 kilowatts or so. You can do the VCU reset for that. There's a gateway reset, a PKC reset. Next, we have the FCM calibration for the front camera module. We also have MRR calibration, which is the medium range radar, and we have calibration also for the different components here. So we have the front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. So I'm not going to run any of these right now because I don't need to, but I just wanted to show you the new features for the calibrations and other features that are added to this version 1.3. So adding these resets I think is very handy, and these are the most commonly used ones that I can think of. So the VCU and the PKC, I really haven't had a need to use the gateway reset, but that's in there as well. All right, so we are done with this. And now I'm going to press the disconnect button here. And it is stopped. At this point, I can disconnect it from the USB plug and take it out of the OBD2 port. And then I can put the cable away. So that's pretty much it for this 1.3 version of the SeaScan Pro software. When I get new versions, I'll do a follow-up video and explain the changes and the new features. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you're interested in purchasing the ORS SeaScan hardware software kit, there's a basic as well as pro version. I have a link in the video description. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.